guys, welcome back to another video. It's Jack of Everything. Today, in this unboxing and review video, we're going to be unboxing the Magic Mouse 2 in Space Gray. So I got this Magic Mouse 2 for my birthday, and I'm just going to unbox it today. And I got it in the place where I got it, the backyard, because that's where I had my birthday party. So, I'm going to get my scissors, and I'm going to cut through it. Oh, and also, I just wanted to tell you the price of the Magic Mouse 2 for the Space Gray version, $119. It was a lot. Okay, now we got it out of the plastic. Now we're going to open it. Yeah, you're supposed to do it like this. You just got to stretch it out, though. Yep. Ready, guys? Oh my gosh, that looks so gorgeous. The Magic Mouse 2. Oh gosh, guys, look at that. So these black things are when you put it down on the ground, it doesn't scratch the Space Gray aluminum. Then we got this sensor, I think it is. Well, I don't know what it is, but I know that this is the on switch. And this is the lightning port to charge the mouse. And I know some of you think, like even my dad thinks, why would you even put the lightning port on the bottom? I don't know, but I mean, if you put the lightning port on the bottom, you could still use the trackpad on your MacBook. But if you have an iMac, let's hope you have another mouse. So, and then here, under, in the box, we got some information, regulatory information of how to use it. So Magic Mouse 2, and then here is all the regulation certification. Mom, what does it say?
Regulatory certification.
Yeah, and then there's like more other papers and yeah. So I'm just gonna put it back in the slot. How do I do this? No, I'll do it later. And then we got a lightning cable to charge your Magic Mouse. And this is, well, it's not I don't think it's the first, but this is the first time I've ever seen a lightning cable in black. Usually when you get like an iPhone or something, or an iPad, it comes with a white lightning cable, but this one is black. So I think you like unwrap it. Yep. So that. And that. There. Now we got a lightning cable to charge your Magic Mouse just like that. And then it's charging. Let me take it out, and yeah. So that was the unboxing of the Magic Mouse 2. Now on to the review. Okay guys, now we're in my room right now. We're not outside anymore. Oh, and also just to let you know guys, it's about 1 hour later. And yeah, so we let my Magic Mouse charge. Now we're gonna unplug it. Wait, oh, got a little dust. Okay, now we're gonna unplug it, and we're gonna turn it on. And now I'm gonna go on my MacBook Pro. Hold on, wait, I forgot to turn on my keyboard. Okay, so my keyboard's connected. Now we have to see if my mouse will connect. So I'm going to go to System Preferences. I'm gonna go to Mouse. Set up Bluetooth mouse. It's gonna Magic Mouse 2 connect. Connected. And I'm doing all this with my Magic Mouse. Look, see for yourself. See? Doing all this with my Magic Mouse. Done. Oh, and here's some tutorials of how to use it, okay? Oh, so click on the right. Wait. Oh, and then this is how you scroll, wait. Oh, so that's how you scroll, secondary click, okay, and smart zoom. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, guys, so now that I know how to use the Magic Mouse 2, let's test out the features that I saw. So I'm going to go to Safari on YouTube, and I'm going to try the scrolling thing. Oh, that's really cool. Okay, now, what else did it say? Oh, right, did the secondary click. Wait, no. Wait, no. Skip ad. No. Okay, so I don't know how to do the secondary click, but let's try the zoom in. I don't think it works on YouTube, but maybe it'll work on photos. But anyway, guys, that was the review of the Magic Mouse 2 unboxing and review video. That is the end. I'll see you guys in another video.